Hey traders from around the world, what's going on? It's your boy Ricky Cadan back again with another Wednesday free real life stock review just for you. Let's talk about the markets, guys, and what has been happening. So the SPY pretty much just stuck in a range here. We've been speaking about this for about a month and a half now, and this particular red box that I have drawn here is the range that I have mostly been saying that we will just trade up to and pause at, which we've been mentioning in our real life trading room. It is a rejection level, it is a resistance level, so most likely, guys, we will just stick within this range for a little bit longer until we either break down or break higher. At this point, we're just building pressure. Doesn't look super bullish, to be honest. I'm not overly bullish on the markets simply because everything is at all-time highs right now. But let's have a look here at the E-minis. Now, the E-minis right now is just chilling. Right at a resistance level. Can't complain. And at this point, we are just most likely going to trade completely sideways or come back down to the 200 at this point. Now, ROKU, this is one to watch. I am bullish on ROKU. I'm just waiting for a stronger break above, a stronger close, sorry, above this particular trend line. These are some really nice trapping candles. If we can take these candles out, I will be looking at getting into a longer term position on ROKU because I do expect ROKU to be close to $200, about $188 per share by the end of the year. Makes a lot of sense on ROKU. They've been distributing for quite some time now. On the weekly chart, that is just a sensational trend. And I mean, look at this hammer simply from, a couple of weeks ago. This is just absolutely incredible. Incredible. So, yep, looks really, really good. ROKU slowly building that pressure and looking to slowly break out. Here's Beyond Meat, good old Beyond Meat. This is what I am actually looking for. We did speak about this in our trading room. I am looking for somewhat of a close above this particular candle, and then I'll look to buy on a pullback at around 147.84 and look to take this one bullish. Beyond Meat does look bullish. It is building pressure, guys. I do think that we could probably come back down a little bit. If we do come back down a little bit, it's just going to look even more amazing than right now. But this is what I am planning and hoping for on Beyond Meat. Not insanely bullish volume coming in at this point, but we'll just watch and wait and see what goes on in the markets. Now, speaking of all-time highs, guys, Square is just absolutely crushing new all-time highs. I really think that we're getting a little too extended right now. I do not think this is a buying location. It's not a point to short the market. You do not want to try and get in front of this steam train right now. However, I do expect us to have a pullback. It's just a matter of time before that does happen. If we do come back down to about $100 and some change, that makes a lot of sense. But these bullish candles, guys, are slowly, getting fairly exhausted. This is very exhausted volume right now. So I do expect us to have a very nice pullback very, very soon on Square. So keep your eyes peeled on that one. Here's ASX 200. Now, ASX 200, we are at a resistance level. Once again, guys, I have not moved this box. We are resisting this particular level. I do expect us to come down, build this pressure for a quick move down or a quick pop higher back to the 200 or so. But right now, at this point, I'm neither bullish nor bearish on the ASX 200. Here's APT. They did go into a trading halt yesterday. They're trying to raise capital, and this is probably going to be the high for a little bit. Based on this particular volume, guys, it is very bearish volume. I'm not saying we can't go higher. I just think that after a move from our previous dip that we had, we are up over 170%. From March, we are up, 700% return. I know a lot of the insiders are selling their shares. Always look to buy the dip, guys. There's no harm in just buying back down at a low level and just waiting for that dip to occur. So keep your eyes peeled on Afterpay. Most likely is going to start to simmer down a little bit and pull back some. Here's App Limited, ticker symbol APX. Another one that is also at an all-time high, guys. Once again, another reason why I'm not so bullish on the markets and bullish on any stocks, any of these stocks that are all-time highs, is simply because we are very, very extended right now. So right now, if we do have a nice little pullback, Probably look to buy somewhere around $32 and some change. It is a previous level of resistance. It will be very interesting to just watch the stock at this particular level to see if we do find some support. However, if we do have increasing volume and we do keep on crushing lower, then we may go a little bit lower. That particular level will be roughly the 50 EMA on the daily chart, so just bear that in mind if we do have a quick short-term pullback at this point. Here's Commonwealth Bank of Australia, CBA. Now, we did come up to the 200 simple moving average and we did get rejected, and we are still stuck between the 100 and 200 simple. I've been mentioning this in the trading room and in my stock reviews that we will most likely stay within this range for a little bit. So at this point, guys, I'm neither bullish nor bearish. Do a non-directional trade on this one, whether it's selling covered calls or, you know, selling out of the money naked puts to try and get put shares at a lower price. Whatever it is you're doing, it's going to be non-directional. Don't try and pick the tops here or think that this is the bottom and it's just going to crush on higher, because it's going to take some time on CBA. Here's crude oil, not doing a whole lot. Crude oil is simply just going sideways right now. Not a very bullish trend, not a very bearish trend. It's just looking to find some direction. We did pause right at the top of this gap. So right at the top of this gap right here. As you can see, we are just pausing. And at this point, I'm neither bullish nor bearish. So probably just stay well away from crude. Here's gold. I have been mentioning since, gosh, I don't know, back here. The gold is going higher. So if you guys have been buying all the dips, then well done. I know one of our traders did get into a dip buying opportunity here at 1680. So well done, K, for crushing that trade. But gold is going higher, guys. It's just inevitable that we will most likely hit the all-time high this year. We'll probably create a new all-time high. I have been mentioning we'll probably hit 2,000 by the end of the year. Makes a lot of sense. At this point, if we do have another market pullback, that'll most definitely happen. Probably a lot sooner than we thought. And last but not least, here is the Aussie dollar. Just chilling right now above the 200 simple. If we do come back down to the 200 simple moving average, guys, on the daily chart, it will be a buying location. So keep that in mind. But the Aussie dollar is definitely looking a lot more bullish now. So look to buy the dips on AUD USD. All right, team. I'm out of here. I'll be back on Friday with another free real-life stock review just for you. And if you haven't done already, guys, hop on over to our Facebook page. I'll leave a link in the description below. Make sure you sign up, and it'll be awesome to kind of have you guys in that community as well. And if you do want to step it up a notch and hop on over to reallifetrading.com, reallifetrading.com.au, and sign up to our trading room. That would be absolutely amazing to have you a part of this community as well. It's a sensational community to be a part of, and I mean, why not? Everyone's making money. So all right, team, I'll see you guys on Friday. Love life, live life, and trade it. Bye.